Just thought I'd show you the room whilst it looks like it does. So we're in room 269. And we're in is it a king room we're in? A king deluxe, I meant to say. This shower looks stunning. I can't believe that we're actually here. I've seen so many vlogs on this, and this was a splurge, absolute splurge. It really was, but we just had to do it. We just had to do it. There's a closet in there with a safe. Look at the size of that TV. And look, who's on it. That's amazing. That chair looks comfy. So I think this is the private space for what they call the founders of the guest house at Graceland. So you do actually get some perks to being a founder. And this is nestled just in the grounds of the hotel. And just to give you a little bit of an idea, there's a swimming pool over there. So it's fair to say that Jace and I are probably some of the younger clientele here, but there's actually been younger as well. So I think the Elvis movie has had an awful lot to do with that, which I think is absolutely amazing. But the hotel grounds are stunning. So I think you've got a bar here. I can't remember the name, so we'll walk past them in a minute. And then somewhere here is reception. So this is the lobby bar that's literally just next to reception. And there's the doors that I just came through. But yeah, this is the lobby bar. And of course, where else can you find Elvis on loop continually? And what I really like is it's not just the classic versions of them either. So this is the rest of the reception area. Look at all of these fabulous chairs. And I think from what I've watched before, when Priscilla had something to do with the design of this place, it was all to do, she was trying to sort of emulate the type of furniture and things that at points were in Graceland or that Elvis enjoyed. I'm not an aficionado, so I might be getting some of this stuff wrong. But look at this ceiling. It's very difficult not to walk around and sing with these iconic songs. So there's the front doors. So there's reception. It's always busy, always. So just off the left, As you can see, we've got a gift shop. Opening hours 8 till 4. There's meeting room areas. An ATM. Delta's Kitchen. Now, we haven't eaten in there, but to be honest with you, the menu doesn't really appeal to me. I'll put the menu up properly. But this is what I love: a peanut butter and jelly sandwich bar, a late night snack fit for a king. Nightly, 10 p.m. till supplies last. Never tried a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm not sure I'd like one. It's held nightly at 7 p.m. Yeah, Aloha from Hawaii is tonight. The funny thing is, the dedicated TV channel that you have is absolutely amazing, because you can watch the 68 Comeback Special and Aloha from Hawaii on continuous loop if you want. It's really, really good. And there's the shuttles that will take you over to Graceland, which, to be honest with you, is a short walk. This is the song that we walked into on Monday night, Tuesday morning when we arrived, and it's my favourite song. Absolute favourite song. I'm sorry to be talking over it. I just don't want to have the copyright all over my video. So it looks like lots of people checking out today. That will be us tomorrow. So we're right back where we started. Well, maybe not started. There you go, that's what Jason was talking about last night. This is a 4-diamond hotel. 2022. So right here, this is the way that we come. And what I love is the shake, rattle and go. But there's also a founder's room, which is reserved exclusively for the founder members. And you can see that they've got a lovely private lounge in there. Funny story, I had a heart attack the other day at the Shake, Rattle and Go. I thought she said it was $6.61, and it wasn't, it was $10.61. Just for the things that we had, I wouldn't have expected to pay more than $5. But there's EP's Bar and Grill. And this is what they call the bus lobby. When we got picked up the other evening for Marlowe's, it was outside this entrance. And of course, the iconic staircase. I was blown away yesterday when we were actually at Graceland. I took a picture of it just to show the similarities of it all. So I've probably done this tour a little bit backwards, because I think I've shown the room first and all of this, but I'll do something with the magic of editing. But I think I've now shown you everything. And yeah, absolutely amazing. I love it here. I really do. Jason and I were considering staying somewhere else because we had this booked on Expedia. And then we were looking at the price because we added an extra night. And we thought, oh, we could probably get more value, more bang for our buck. But we both completely agreed with each other that if we then stayed somewhere less than ideal, shall we say, we'd always be comparing it to this. And I love staying here, and I never thought I'd say that. But anyway, that concludes our hotel tour. Let me know what you think in the comments. You know, a true Elvis fan, absolutely love being here. But I don't think that you have to be a true Elvis fan to be able to appreciate the luxury of this hotel.